I want to sing a song for you. How should I say in Shona that I want to sing a song for you?
Ndinoda kuimbira.
Kukuda, kumbirira,
Ndinoda kuimbira.
kuda, and then
Ndinoda kuimba.
kuimba.
Yes, ndinoda kuimba.
Kuimba.
Ndinoda kuimbira.
What?
Ndinoda kuimbira.
Kumbirira.
Yes, yeah, almost there. Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me which Shona song is nice. I want to sing for my husband on Valentine's Day because on Saturday is Valentine's Day. So I don't know Shona songs. So which Shona song is nice?
You want to sing for me, Shona?
Yes, I will try.
So how do I say in Urdu? I want to sing for you.
मैं गाना गाना चाहता हूँ.
मैं
गाना
चाहता हूँ. मैं गाना चाहता हूँ.
नहीं गाना गाना.
But Ghana is it not what do you call sugar cane?
No, that one is Ganna. Yes, and Ganna. Yes, but this one Ghana.
Kana is eating, right?
Yes, Khana is eating.
So it's Ghana.
Ghana.
All right.
Ghana.
Me Ghana.
No, Ghana. See, it's not me only.
Come again. What did you say?
I've said मैं गाना चाहता हूँ आपके लिए. आपके लिए. Yes. So please give me a song, Shona, song to sing for my husband on Valentine's Day.
Do you just want lyrics or you want
song?
You want a song?
Yes, lyrics.
A Shona song.
Mm-hmm.